We are back out here in the Extreme Shenanigans garage with the Z33, and it is turbo time. It's been a long time since we've been out in the garage. So what we've done now is we have gotten the Rev 9 piping kit for the hot side and the cold side. Without the turbo, without the intercooler. It was really cheap on Amazon. It was probably like 900 bucks, 1,000 bucks maybe. So I bought that, you know, because I have a lot of things have changed. I have a kid now. I have a crazy dog. You know, I have a whole family going on now, so I have other responsibility besides the build. So, anyways. I bought the Rev 9 piping, I mocked it up, and I seen how small the piping to the turbo was, and I decided that that wasn't going to be good enough. So I went ahead and I bought a welder, a cheap Amazon welder. It's $180. It was Arc Captain. It does MIG, flux, and all that shit. And I also bought a Pulsar turbo, a Pulsar wastegate, you know, some quality parts, and a bunch of stainless steel piping. I bought 2.5 inch for the hot side, and I have 3 inch for the downpipe. And I'm learning how to weld, and I'm about to figure it all out here and let you guys know if you can build yourself your own turbo kit with basic garage fucking experience. You know what I mean? I'm not a mechanic, dude. This is the first time I've ever welded, and I'm putting it together. Like, it's going together, and we're gonna see how it works out all together.